We're gonna try to get to Sintra, which is like another town outside of Lisbon, which has all the castles and things like that. But gotta try to get to the train station in like 30 minutes. I'm running really behind right now, but I think we'll be alright. So I keep forgetting it's like a holiday. It's Easter weekend, but it's Good Friday today and the trains only run every hour. So if I miss this one, I gotta go wait another hour. I'm like running and I'm out of breath. Hey look, a walking tour. Made it. Made it to Sintra. I just bought a ticket at the train stop from Lisbon to Sintra. It was €5 and it took about 40 minutes to get out here. But I know there's like a bunch of passes where if you buy it you can like hop on like these tuk-tuks or like on the bus and like it'll take you to castle, but I think I'm only planning on visiting like 2 of them. I'm probably just gonna like walk everywhere. But I'm trying to find the tourist place where I could grab a map. I think that's right across the street actually. Are these free, do you know? No. Not free? How much are they? $3.50? So those maps were definitely not free. Gotta find the train station. Alright, found the train station. Look at this line though. This view. I think this is like the countryside. There's like a bunch of mountains. Or it's like a lot of hills. And there's like a bunch of castles and like mansions and different places, like historical sites that I guess you're supposed to visit when you come here. And that's what I'm trying to find right now. I'm just following where like all the buses are like coming and going from. Whoa. These roads are getting really sketch. This isn't even like a sidewalk. Finally stumbled across a sign that looks legit. I'm just gonna follow it. Accidental trips are the funnest trips. So I guess this is like a better time than any to like talk about my first hostel experience last night. So from what I'm like gauging, it seems like most of the people that are like on, or most of the people that are staying in hostels are like the younger crowd. So like maybe like 18 to like 20, 21. I feel like most of them are just there to like party and stuff. Which is all cool, cause like when I was that age, I was definitely the same way. I was always down to party, wanted to go out, wanted to go clubbing. But as I'm getting older, I don't know, it just doesn't seem as appealing to me anymore. Yeah, back to the hostel thing I was talking about earlier. I think it's all about just trying to find people there with similar interests that want to do like similar things with you. Because I feel like in the last clip I made it seem like it was just like all bad stuff, all young kids trying to go out, but there's so many different types of people there. I for sure as hell didn't meet everyone at the hostel last night, but Jesus. Now back to the hike. Literally the steepest incline I've ever walked up. Coming down is gonna be really fun. I might just roll my way down. I think the theme of my trip is I'm always gonna be out of breath. I'm always not gonna know what I'm doing or where I'm going. And I'm always gonna be hungry. Made it to the top. Actually not the top, but I just came in. This is so ridiculous. You can see for like miles in all directions. Look at these views. So I've been obsessed with the views, but walking around this castle, it's like the fact that they actually built this that long ago and there's like so many passages that connect to each other. Like, I don't know how they put this thing together. It's so big, like with zero heavy machinery or anything like that. They just built this whole place. That's insane. I'm gonna try to go to the way top right now and take a look down.
How do you look at the last one? I want to see that.
One thing with vlogging I'm starting to figure out is that it's kind of hard. You got to make sure, you got to kind of remind yourself that you just need to be present in the moment sometimes. Sometimes you just got to turn the camera off and look around, and then you'll just like be amazed. I feel like that's like how I feel right now. It's like I was up there taking all those pictures and videos up there, and then like I just stopped and then I took a look around at like what I was actually looking at, and I was just floored by how amazingly beautiful this place is and how crazy it is that people actually built this castle. But now I'm gonna like run down. I'm gonna see if I could try to get to that castle that you guys saw at the top there. I was told there was like a really long queue there, which is wait, like the European way to say wait, but I think there's like an hour and a half last time I checked. So I don't know if I'm actually gonna be able to get inside the place, but I think I'll be able to walk around on like the grounds of the palace. So I just gotta get there by 5, which is in 2 hours, and I'll see if I can get there. So I just got in the park for Pena. I didn't want to pay for the actual palace because I heard there's like a really long wait there, and I figured by the time I got up there I wouldn't even be able to get in because it closed at like 5. So I think I'm just gonna walk around the park. So walk the park was also only like €7.50, so I could use the money I saved to eat food tonight. Budgeting so hard, I'm like starving myself. Only one meal a day keeps the doctor away. There's the palace up there. And that's how close the peasants get. Found this like back remote area. You got the palace up there. And then you got these nice views all around. Shady back entrance. Apparently there's nothing up here, but you know, it's funny to break the rules. This definitely counts as being inside the castle. That door's closed. Alright, mission complete. I made it in. I'm telling everyone I went inside. So I was walking around Pena and I ran into these two girls. Say hi.
Oh.
These girls are such badasses. They hopped in. They hopped into the park that I paid $7.50 for. And I guess they're like, yeah, let's go see that. They're like hitchhiking their way around, and they're all about like spending no money. I think I need to hang out with these girls the rest of my trip.
On est quel jour?
Vendredi.
Ok.
Hitchhiking a ride down.
Non, je sais pas quel jour on est, je regarde pas vraiment
Et
ça.
maintenant, il faut trouver l'appartement qui est en centre de Lisbonne.
Ah, vous allez vers Lisbonne?
Est-ce que vous offrez des biscuits?
Non, merci.
Oui, on va dans Lisbonne.
Directement?
Hitching all the way to Lisbon. Oh my gosh, this isn't real life.
On peut peut-être chercher longtemps avant de trouver, mais...
Parfait, on n'est pas pressé.
Tu trouves.
It's awesome. Hitchhiking experience. That was insane. I was like, those people are so nice. Was that like every other time you hitchhiked?
Yeah, I've only had good experience hitchhiking actually.
Yeah,
only
2
met
thumbs
like
up?
nice people. I'd give 3 thumbs up, but I only have 2.
Hitchhiking completely safe apparently.
You guys want to have?
Made it back to the hostel. Had some dinner. I actually went to the grocery store and picked up some food. It was a lot cheaper than actually going out to a restaurant. I think I'm gonna start doing that a lot more moving forward. But I think I'm gonna upload all the footage I got right now and then probably gonna go out for some drinks with some people. I'm gonna close it out here and I'll see you tomorrow.